Trump rally.
Well, I don't know. He has some good points.
Yeah, look at his face. I mean, you just want to punch it. He's all smug. He's got that duck lip thing going on and the dead thing on his head. It's really creepy.
I feel like he might protect us, don't you?
He looks like he smells like sausages, honey.
Don't you? Everything is about food with you.
I'm hungry. They don't have any good food at this convention.
I wish you would just support me in this decision to support Donald Trump. No one seems to be on my side about this.
Listen, if you packed a lunch and something to snack on, maybe some water, I'm very dehydrated right now, maybe I could get behind Trump, but pretzels aren't going to cover it.
They were German pretzels. They were large pretzels.
I wish we could be a large German pretzel right now, honey.
I am getting quite riled up. I mean, there's something about the anger in this room that is really...
Let's go Trump it out in the background.